One night, Mochi, Poco, and Cheeky found a phone full of funny sounds. The first sound was just a little ding, but it made them all jump. Then came a silly quack. Poco thought there was a duck in the room. When the drums started, they couldn't help but dance to the beat. But then came a spooky sound, and Poco nearly fainted. The next sound was so funny. Poco rolled on the floor laughing. Soon the phone played animal sounds, and they all joined in the chaos. And finally, a gentle lullaby played, reminding them that every sound is better with friends.